How to download Google Pay in iOS. Want to use Google Pay on your iPhone? Here's how to download and set it up fast. So, first and foremost, you need to check App Store, use the search icon at the bottom, and then search for Google Pay. So, if you find it, that means that the Google Pay application is available for your device. Now, if you don't find it, that basically means that the Google Pay application for iOS on your region is not available. So to be able to access it, go ahead and open up your Safari browser, and then from there, go ahead and search for Google Pay. Now sign in with your Google Pay account on your browser, and then you'd be able to find all of the payment methods you've registered on Google Pay, along with the other things that you've added on Google Pay, along with the cashbacks you can avail on Google Pay. So that is how to download Google Pay in iOS.